Today I'll be showing you the complete Disney Princess Diamond Pin Series. This was a monthly pin series from Disney Pins blog, and the first one came out in April of 2024, and then they came out monthly all the way through December of 2024. They are $25 each, and they are all limited edition 300. So this is a 9-pin collection, and the pin designs feature a Disney princess in a diamond-shaped pin, and then around the edges of the pin are a bunch of jewels, which is really cool. So Disney Pins blog makes a lot of Disney pins, and these are all officially licensed Disney pins. So I have all 9 pins in this collection, so let's take a look at the pins. All right, we'll start off with Aurora. So this was the first pin that came out in April of 2024. So you can see we have Aurora in her pink dress, and we have a really nice pearlized background, it looks like. And then we have a kind of a mirrored border, and then it's just filled with jewels, and the jewels do stick up. I don't know if you can see that. We can take it off the card here. You can see all the jewels right there. So they're all bumped up. Very nice. And then the backs, they have the recycled logo, because these are the kind of pins where it's at least 25% recycled metal. And it does have the official copyright Disney there. These are officially licensed Disney pins. It has its own little diamond there. It's not a diamond Mickey, but it is a little diamond. And these have 2 pin posts, which is awesome. So they're not gonna like sway on the pin board. So that is nice. And for the month of May, we got Mulan. We have Mulan, who is not in her warrior stuff. She's in her regular clothes, and she has a nice blue background on hers. And then the same design. So these are all very similar, except for the princess and the color of the background. But the border and the jewels are all the same. And for June, we got Rapunzel. So we have Rapunzel in her purple dress, and she has a kind of a lightish blue background on that. Very nice. And for July, we have Snow White. We got the classic outfit for Snow White in a pink pearlized background there. And for August, we have Belle. Belle in her yellow dress, and she has a yellow pearl background. And for September, we have Ariel. So we have Ariel in the mermaid form, and she has a purple background. For October, we got Moana, and she is in front of a yellow background. And for November, we have Tiana. Tiana is in her green dress, and she has purple background. The month of December, we have Elsa. Very cool. So we have Elsa in her dress, and she's got kind of an ice color background. Looks really nice. I like that one. Those were the Disney Princess Diamond Series pin collection from Disney Pins blog. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite here. Now I know that asking that question here is a little bit difficult because these pins looked mostly the same. So it's basically asking who's your favorite Disney princess out of this collection. So my favorite pin here is Rapunzel. She's my favorite Disney princess out of these 9. So that is my favorite pin here. Now, these pins look great when they're put together on a pin board, but they also, I think, look really good if they're put with other collections of that princess. So you take the Moana diamond pin and put her with a bunch of Moana pins. I think it'll look good to have like a diamond pin. It's kind of a fancy pin right in the middle or something. So that would look great. And I do want to point out that as of right now, this is September, what is this? The 16th? September 16th. All 9 of these pins are still available on the Disney Pins blog store. So if you liked any of these, be sure to get over there and pick them up, because I know they're limited edition 300, so they're not going to be available for too much longer. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.